Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, 10 new cases of the COVID-19 were confirmed today, 5 of which were positive tests from employees of the Health Ministry. The new cases take the total COVID-19 positive tests in Jamaica to 233. Here is Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton speaking about the new cases in his ministry.
We have tested quite a number of staff members, and the results have come back to date, where 5 additional members of staff have been tested positive for COVID-19. So it brings the grand total to 6. What that means is that we're going to have to trigger, and we have already triggered, another series of events around contact tracing, around counseling, around further deep cleaning, depending on where these persons were located, and isolation and treatment, of course. We take our mission for the country very seriously, but we also recognize that the Ministry of Health personnel, who are the front line of the COVID battle, where the country depends on them, we have to pay particular attention to ensure their welfare and well-being so that they can carry out the job that is necessary on behalf of all of us. And so we have taken control of the situation and are doing all that is necessary to manage the process, to see to the speedy recovery of those individuals.